In this video, you'll learn how to seamlessly integrate Claude Models into your Python applications using the Anthropic SDK, a crucial skill for enhancing AI capabilities with cutting-edge language models.
Welcome to our channel, where today, we delve into the fascinating world of Claude Models. Did you know these models can revolutionize your Python projects with their advanced capabilities? In this video, we'll guide you through integrating Claude Models using the Anthropic SDK. Whether you're looking to boost your AI applications or explore new tech frontiers, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we set up, configure, and deploy these models effectively. Ready to enhance your skills? Let's dive in. Claude Models are at the forefront of AI development, offering unparalleled language processing abilities. But what exactly are they? Essentially, Claude Models are state-of-the-art language models developed by Anthropic, designed to understand and generate human-like text. They're incredibly versatile, capable of tasks from text summarization to creative writing. Compared to other models, Claude Models stand out for their efficiency and adaptability, making them ideal for various industries such as tech, healthcare, and finance. So, why choose Claude Models for your project? The answer lies in their ability to transform complex tasks into seamless operations, saving time and resources. To leverage Claude Models effectively, the Anthropic SDK is your go-to tool. But why the Anthropic SDK? Well, it offers a seamless interface for integrating Claude Models into Python projects. Key features include ease of use, comprehensive documentation, and robust support for model deployment. Compatible with the latest Python versions, the SDK ensures smooth integration without compatibility issues. Before diving in, ensure your development environment meets the SDK's prerequisites, including Python 3.6 or later. Ready to get started? In our next block, we'll walk through setting up your development environment. A well-prepared development environment is essential for success. Start by installing Python 3.6 or later, ensuring compatibility with the Anthropic SDK. Next, configure your preferred integrated development environment, IDE, such as PyCharm or VS Code, to optimize your coding experience. Verify your installation by running a simple script to check Python and SDK compatibility. Setting up a virtual environment is crucial to manage dependencies effectively, preventing conflicts. If you encounter any setup issues, don't worry, common problems often have straightforward solutions, which we'll explore. Once your environment is set, you're ready for the next step: authentication and API key management. API keys are your gateway to integrating Claude Models. They authenticate your application, granting access to Anthropic's powerful models. To obtain your API keys, register on Anthropic's platform and follow the steps outlined in their documentation. Secure storage of these keys is vital. Consider using environment variables or secure vault services to protect sensitive information. Once you have your keys, configure the SDK by setting the appropriate environment variables or directly updating your configuration file. If you run into authentication issues, double-check your API key's validity and ensure it's correctly implemented in your code.
With authentication sorted, it's time to load and configure Claude Models. Start by importing the necessary modules from the Anthropic SDK. Loading a model is straightforward. Initialize the model class and specify any configuration parameters. You can customize model behavior to suit your project's needs, such as adjusting response length or fine-tuning specific tasks. Optimize performance by carefully selecting parameters that align with your objectives. Once configured, save your settings for easy reuse in future projects. In our next block, we'll explore how to efficiently handle inputs and outputs, ensuring seamless integration into your applications. Efficiently managing inputs and outputs is crucial for maximizing Claude Models' potential. Start by formatting your input data to match the model's requirements. This often involves data pre-processing, such as tokenization or normalization, to ensure compatibility. Once the model processes your inputs, handling the outputs becomes the next focus. Integrate these outputs seamlessly into your existing applications, maintaining data flow and consistency. Post-processing techniques, like filtering or summarizing, enhance output accuracy and relevance. By mastering these techniques, you'll ensure Claude Models add significant value to your projects. Up next, we'll tackle error handling and debugging strategies to streamline your workflow.
Even the best integrations face errors. What matters is how you handle them. Start by familiarizing yourself with common errors specific to Claude Models. Effective debugging practices include systematic troubleshooting, leveraging logging tools, and monitoring application performance. Implement try-except blocks in your code to catch and manage exceptions gracefully, ensuring your application remains robust. Proactive error prevention is equally important. Validate inputs, handle edge cases, and regularly update your code to align with SDK updates. By adopting these strategies, you'll minimize downtime and enhance your project's reliability. Our next focus is deploying your model in production environment. Let's make sure everything is running smoothly. Deploying your Claude model in production is the final step in realizing its potential. Begin by preparing your application for a production environment. These includes thorough testing and performance optimization. Choose a deployment strategy that aligns with your project's needs, whether it's cloud-based, on-premise, or hybrid solutions. Scalability is crucial. Ensure your deployment can handle varying demand levels while maintaining performance. Ongoing monitoring and maintenance are essential to address any issues promptly and adapt to changing requirements. Finally, prioritize security and compliance, safeguarding your data and adhering to industry standards. With these steps, your Claude model is ready for real-world applications.
Congratulations on mastering the integration of Claude models into your Python projects. Today, we covered everything from setting up your environment to deploying models in production. By following these steps, you're equipped to leverage Claude models' full potential, enhancing your AI capabilities and driving innovation. Remember, continuous learning is key. Explore additional resources and stay updated on the latest developments. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on AI integration. Stay tuned for our next topic, where we'll explore advanced customization techniques for Claude models. See you there.